Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to the Imperial Balloons channel, where we strive to make you feel like royalty during all your special occasions. My name is Aisha, and this in particular was a special occasion for me. Well, actually for me and my boyfriend. We were on our first ever vacation in Greece. We were staying at the Stella Palace Resort and Spa in a beautiful room with a private pool, and his birthday also happened to be during this trip. So me as a balloon decorator, of course, I had to do something for him. So I just ordered some balloons and packed up all of that in my suitcase, brought it to the hotel with us. He had no idea. And then I had sent him to breakfast on his own, and while he was gone, I just put together this quick little mini grab and go garland. And yeah, it was just kind of to make his day a little bit more special. I'd booked him a massage, I'd ordered him a cake, we had dinner reservations at a restaurant. It was just a beautiful day all together. So these balloons actually came off of a website that I used to use when I just started out with doing balloons. The brand is, and excuse me if I butcher this, but it's Cattex. I don't know, it's spelled Cattex. And then the colors that I used are cobalt blue, lead gray, and then pure silver, which I had to double stuff because it was quite see-through, so I just double stuffed it with the same color. I started out making little clusters of probably about 6 to 8 balloons, and then I tied those together with a 260. I could not hand tie because these necks were not working with me at all. And then the next step was for me to figure out how I was going to hang this. So at first I tried to hang it on those lamps that you see right there, but it didn't work out. It was just pulling on it way too much, and I did not know why I thought that was going to be a good idea. But after that, I just decided to put some, what are those things called again? Command hooks. That's the word that I was looking for. I decided to use those, and that worked out pretty good. Actually, a couple of days after I got home, I realized that I did not take them off of the frame. So, I mean, I haven't heard anything from the hotel, so I guess it was good. And I believed I used a 260Q instead of like fishing line or something else to attach the garland to those hooks. I have completely moved away from using fishing line for pretty much anything that I do regarding balloons. I used to swear by it, and then I don't know, I gave neck to neck tying a try, and then I just stuck to that. And if I can't tie neck to neck, I just grab a 260. I had also brought this silver sign that says happy birthday that I'm going to be hanging up now. I had quite a bit of struggle with that. The rope that it was on was a little bit too short, so I had to like improvise and kind of extend it with something else that I had. And now I'm just going to blow up some random balloons that I'm going to just put on the floor. I still have to work on that sign in the back as well, but I'm gonna be adjusting that in a minute. Like I said, I was struggling with it quite a bit, but in the end, I think I got it to look pretty good. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please do. Also leave a like and a comment telling me what you think about this quick little grab and go setup. And you can follow me on all social media platforms at imperialballoons.ac. gonna start adding my 5 inches. I also had some silver orbs with me, but looking at it, I feel like this was just perfect. My boyfriend doesn't really like all that extra stuff, so I just kept it nice and simple. And I feel like sometimes it could be harder to design a garland for a man, but in this case I really like these colors. Like the blue is cool, and then you have that darker gray, and then the silver giving it just enough sparkle, and you know, still make it look dope. I really like this color combo, to be honest. So yeah guys, that's basically it. This was a quick one. Again, we stayed at the Stella Palace Resort and Spa in Greece. So if you want to go there and you're looking for a beautiful room with a private pool, this is definitely one that I recommend. And I'm gonna insert some clips of the pool and the room as well at the end of the video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a comment or leave a like, or share this video with a friend. And you can find me on all social media platforms at imperialballoons.ac. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.